been a real pleasure to be here and teach you everything I know about Editor X. I always like to end with a quick recap of everything we've learned so far. So let's take a look. We got up and running by playing with the Editor X workspace. We learned about the different tools available for us, including the site styles, inspector, design library, and the parent model, how we should layer and organize our elements. You guys know this already. We put together a quick demo to practice the sticky position technique. We learned about negative margins and how docking works. The project that we built is full of visual elements and interactions. At first, I thought it would be too complex for this masterclass, but then I realized this demo is exactly what I needed to teach because it really pushes Editor X to its limits. Well, sort of. I'm hoping that you go out there and do that. We learned about fluidity, responsive units, custom breakpoints, and cascading rules. Remember, any style changes that you make in desktop will be carried down to mobile. Very simple. We explored the power of data, like importing CSV files into our collections, creating and filtering dynamic pages, how to pull data with forms, and set up 2 important apps from the Wix market. Woo! Now that we're here, you've got a good understanding of SEO and the Ascend business tools, and I am ready to hit that publish button. But what else should we know before launching? For me, honestly, it's just as easy as clicking this button. But for you, well, you need to go out there and try out Editor X. Editor X is here to stay, so go push the boundaries of this true visual editor. Thanks guys for watching, and just like we say in my homeland of Costa Rica, pura vida.
All my brothers got that gas and they don't be smoking like a rock star. Nope. Fucking with me, call up on the Uzi and show up, and then they shut down.